We welcome Pritha Roy Jaiswal, a social activist, counselor, speaker, and a poetess. She has been associated with various organizations and has worked for child safety and other social issues. Her writings have also been awarded by various newspapers like Dainik Bhaskar Awards, etc.
Warm greetings and welcome to the platform of मान महिला का मैम हमें आपकी जर्नी के बारे में कुछ बताएं. How did you start your career and your work profile?
Um, First of all, I would like to thank Man Mahila team who invited me here for this interview. And I am Pritha Roy Jaiswal. And I am from West Bengal. And basically, I am from a medical background. But as after marriage, when I started to move into the family life, I got to know that there are a lot of challenges and responsibilities that a woman needs to face in their life after marriage. The challenges totally change as we become married, and when we have a family, responsibilities also change. So in that case, I started working with an NGO which was doing the work for women. They were empowering women, they were doing health checkups for the women and various kinds of activities for women who are single girl child. For them, they were giving scholarships. So I started having interest in them. Slowly, I started to work with the old age homes. I got interested and then I joined it as a volunteer. After joining as a volunteer, I gained more interest, and now I am having my own organization named Rashtriya Kavitri Manch, in which there are poetesses from throughout all over India, and they have joined there and they are writing, they are expressing their feelings. I feel so that writing is the best means to express oneself, and women, they do not get anyone to share where there are various problems they are not able to share. So in that case, I think the pen and paper can be their best friends. So this is all true.
Okay, absolutely amazing. Heading on to the next question, would you like to mention upon any challenges that you faced during your journey?
Yes, ma'am. The biggest challenge was first thing was that I got married at the age of 21, which is means for now it is a young age to get married at 21. And then I faced I started suffering from depression because I have completed my graduation from Lovely Professional University Punjab, and then I have got a very good placement and I was the university topper. I got award from our Honorable President Dr. Pranab Mukherjee in the convocation. And suddenly, when I
Wow.
got married, so actually I started facing depression. I got depressed, and it was means we can say that very bad stage of depression I was going through. So sometimes also I wanted to finish my life. So that was the most biggest challenge which I faced during this. But then slowly, when I started writing, I published first book. And when I started writing, then I felt that no, somebody was there who can listen to me, who can understand me, through whom I can express my feelings to the outside world. So this was the biggest challenge I faced.
Quite
Overcoming
inspiring.
depression was the biggest challenge.
Your words enlighten hope. And heading on to the third question, ma'am, what was your basic inspiration behind all this you have done? And who was your inspirational figure?
Ma'am, I when I was in the depression stage, I started reading the poems of Sarojini Naidu, great Indian poetess. Nightingale of India. So I started reading her poems, and it was so inspirational, so motivating that women can also do something, and women also have the rights to live freely. So Sarojini Naidu was my greatest inspiration. And if I go to the living inspiration, I started listening to Sandeep Maheshwari, sir. He was also a great speaker and motivational speaker. So they were my role models. I started following them.
Okay, great. Next question for you. Is there any social change you wish to see in the society? And if yes, what is the change you want to see in the society?
Ma'am, the greatest thing which I would like to see that after so much development, and so much of nation building also. The highest rate of suicides in the world which are conducted are by the Indian women. And that also those women who are married Indian women, they are means in the whole world, they are considered to commit the most number of suicides, Indian married women. So that is the thing I would like to change, and that can be changed only when the women are allowed to express themselves. And they are allowed to express, they can express through pen and paper. I feel that. So I do the same thing. अगर हम कुछ लिखते हैं, whenever we write something, then we can express it when outside world can also see whatever we are writing, whether it is an article, story, poem, whatever we write. It can be displayed to the outside world.
Wonderful point of view. Ma'am, any message you would like to give to our marvelous Mahila and the audience who will be watching us?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to give a message that whenever there is a downfall in your life and whenever you start feeling that now everything is finished, nothing is left in your life, then we should think that that is the phase when something good is going to start after that. So we should never lose the hope. We should always keep ourselves motivated, happy. Yes, there are situations, and for women, the situations are really now it has not changed, only changed in pen and papers. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, we are able to see only in pens and papers. But in real world, now also women need to fight. In every stage of life, we need to fight. So whenever there is a darkness, you feel that yes, now we are going to have a bright something future is going to happen in our life. I would like to say 2 lines of my poem. कि अंधेरों से गहरा है आजकल रिश्ता मेरा, अंधेरों से गहरा है आजकल रिश्ता मेरा, इनमें से गुजर कर ही ढूंढा है मैंने अपना सवेरा, इनमें से गुजर कर ही ढूंढा है मैंने अपना सवेरा.
Wow, so beautiful lines. And anything else you would like to add upon to the end of this video?
Yes, see, I would like to add one thing. Ki whenever we are moving into the field of social work or we want to do something for the betterment of the society, in the beginning, everyone, including your family members, will criticize you कि आप जो है काम तो बहुत कर रहे हो, you are not earning anything. Because social work initially does not give you anything. So you have to face criticism. If you want to live for others, social work is not living for others. It is the real meaning of life which helps you to live for yourself. You want to know that what have you done and what is your role in the society. You are born as a human being, so you need to give also something to the environment. So for that, do not expect that initially you will start earning और पैसा ही मेरे लिए सब कुछ है. All will say कि पैसा नहीं कमा रहा, पैसा नहीं कमा रहा. You will get depressed. But there is that whenever you do something for the society, then society also gives you something in return. Obviously, it takes time, but someday you will succeed. So keep giving to the society. If you are taking everything from the society, then keep giving also to the society. And do not think of the fruits or the results or the money that you are going to earn through it. Everything is not money. Whatever we give to this world, beautiful world, that is the most important thing. This much only. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It has been a pleasure for us to have you on our platform. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us, and wish you success for your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.